Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explain you about Microsoft Word application. As I have announced that my first topic is the basic of computer and in which it comes Microsoft Office. So today in this video I am going to explain you about that only. So there are three ways to open Microsoft Word application in your computer. See here, Microsoft Word application is open now. See, it's open. So the first way to open is that go to programs, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Word. You can see Word 2000 and it will open from there. The second way is that you will type Windows and R. See here I am writing the short key Windows button, where you will find Windows button in your keyboard, and plus R. Then you will get that run box, and after you get the run box you will have to type WinWord, 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 and press enter. See, I am typing WinWord and pressing enter. So Word application will be open from there. See, the Word application will be open. Here, the Word application is open. And the third way to open is that right click on the free space of the desktop and go to new, then you will find the Word application and type there. Now today I am going to explain you some basic features of Microsoft Word. Here I have typed my name Asar, and I am doing everything bold, italic, underline. See, there are some symbols there where you can type bold, italic, underline. I will be giving you the shortcuts of also for doing all these things. For bold you will have to type, sorry for disturbance, you will have to type CTRL, yani control button, which you will find on your keyboard, plus B for bold option. Yeah. And the second way, which is italic, you will have to type control plus I option for italic. I'm typing the short key CTRL plus I for italic the font. See, the font has become italic. And the third option is, if you want to underline your text, you will have to press the control button, and after that U, control plus U for underline. So these are the short key for doing all these three things. For the help of mouse you can also do it, for the help of keyboard you can also do it. Now I'm moving into some extra features, which is how to increase your font size. There are many ways. Here you can find the font size increasing by doing this from that option, or you can increase like this also. See, there are A plus plus, A minus minus. Here you are increasing. The short key for increasing and decreasing is control plus shift plus this right arrow for increasing, and for decreasing control plus shift plus left arrow, means the greater than sign and the less than sign. For the greater than signs you will increase, for the less than sign it will decrease. Okay, so these are the two ways of increasing the font size and decreasing the font size. I have written here the short keys of all those things. See here, increasing, and for decreasing you will have to press Ctrl plus shift plus else, less than sign, so you will be decrease. See, from there it can also be decrease, and from that way you can also decrease. So there are many ways to do this. It depends on you how you want to do. If you are using keyboard you can also do it with the help of keyboard, or if you are using mouse you can also do with the help of mouse. Sorry for the disturbance. So It's depend on you. If your mouse is not working, then you can also do it with the keyboard also. So these are the best things. Now the font style. What style you want to keep? I'm changing the font style. See, I have changed the style. First I have to increase that. I'm increasing it. Now see, now you can understand it clearly. See, the font size is increasing. See, the font size is changing. The font style is also changing. Yeah. Now you can underline it. Then you can also do it. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. This is a strike option. You can do it from ABC minus strike. This the strike will come between the text. Now this is called the subscript and the superscript. Script will come beneath the text. This is called subscript, and script will go above the text. This is called superscript. You know that power option, that 2 to the power 2 or 2 to the base 2 log 2 base 2, like all these things. You can write the mathematical function. This is what you know. This is the text style. There you have very nice styles you are available in this text. Now this is what, this is the back side of the text. The back color will be changed. See, here we have done is yellow color. So these are some special options that you should know. Hope so that you have understand this all these things. It's very easy, it's not very hard. Just you need what you have to practice. See, I'm changing the font color also. The font color is changing. See, the font color is changing. Yeah, and the font backside is also changing. See, the backside color is also changing. Now you can also change the, see, all the colors are changing. I've selected all that and I have changing all the colors. So these are very easy thing. Just you have to practice and you will gain everything. So see, what is this? This is an uppercase, lowercase, toggle case. What are uppercase, lowercase? So if you want to do uppercase, lowercase, so it's not that you have to click on the keyboard the caps lock button and then you have to do. There are options available in Microsoft Word that you can do it from there also. So thank you this much in this video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. For this time, subscribe my channel, like my channel, share it.